Hello everyone, welcome to the basic tutorial of creating tables and fields in MS Access. Yes, let's get started. Open Access, open any of your existing databases or create a new one. Let's create a blank database and I will name it as inventory. And just create it. So this is the default table created by MS Access always. Let's add some new fields and these are some data types you can choose. I will take short text for the item name. Better not to add space in the field names. Okay, let's create another field and take it as number and we'll take it as quantity, and let's try currency as well. We'll take it as cost. Okay, now let's add a few records to see how it works. Okay, so we have added few records. So this is actually the primary field of your table. It will assign a new number to each of your record. Its data type is always the auto number, and whenever you wanna change the field name of any of the field, you can just double click on it and change it to anything you like. Let's see, item ID. Okay, press enter and it is changed. And you can change the data type of any field whenever you like. Just click on the field and go to the data type and you can change it. Okay, and you can also add new fields by going to design view. This is actually the datasheet view of a table. So you can go from design view from over here, just click on it. It will ask you to save the table and give it a relative name. Let's give it chocolates. Okay, chocolates. So here you can also just write the field names. Let's write as sale and choose the data type currency. Actually the design view gives you a lot more control on it, on fields basically, from like here. Okay, if you want to know more about it, you can check our other video in detail. Let's go back to data view. Every time you change the structure for that table, it will ask you to save it. So save it. So we are back here. Now if you want to know the total values of the quantity, you can just click over here totals, and here you can check the drop down and sum, average, count, whatever you like. I will just want the sum, and this is the sum of all the total quantity. And let's average. So this is the average cost of all the chocolates. Okay, hope you like the tutorial. To know more about tables and fields, check our detailed video. Thank you very much.